this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Amazon Prime password using your iPhone. So if you've forgotten your password, I'm going to show you how we can go and see the saved password. Now there's two different ways to do this. The first method is by heading over to your iPhone home screen. You can then scroll down to the search box and then just go and search for the app called Passwords and click on the Passwords app. Now once you're on this page, click on the search box and then you simply need to go and search for the word Amazon. Now the password for your Prime account is the same password that you use for your Amazon sign-in. So if anything comes up here, you can go and click on Amazon and you'll be able to reveal your password straight from this window. Now if this doesn't work, I'm going to show you another way to do this as well. So just go and open up an internet browser. I'll be using Safari and sign into your Google account. You can then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and select manage your Google account. Click on security and sign in, and then you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and select password manager. Now click on the search box. And once again, we're just going to search for Amazon, and if you see it from the list, go and click on it like so. You'll then need to go and enter your Google password, and now you'll be able to see all of your saved Amazon Prime passwords. So you can just click on the password field in order to reveal the password, and that's how to find your Amazon Prime video password.